Today we're going to talk about Fimbel American Legends. But first, let's talk about what sets this door apart from other steel doors.
Fimbel manufactures all their doors to have a smooth front, giving it a crisp, clean look. So if you don't care for the texture of a standard stamped steel door, this may be the right door for you. And because Fimbel has added a white vinyl coating to the face of the steel door, it's durable in any environment and is virtually maintenance-free. It's 3-layer construction: steel front, polystyrene insulation in the middle, with a high-impact pre-finished interior, providing you with an R value of 13.14.
On a white door like this, Versatex overlays are used.
The overlays on this door have a coped edge and have been applied in a vertical design to create dimension. This model is a Ford, but it's just one of 11 panel designs available for the series.
So let's talk about window design.
Fimbel's standard is a simulated divided light and is shown here with a traditional arch and clear glass. However, Fimbel has a variety of different window designs and glass types to choose from.
Looking for a high-quality, low-maintenance door? Consider the Fimbel American Legends.